Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Porsche Panamera. So if we go over to, you've got phone there. If you click on phone, you'll see there you've got dial number, phone, previous calls, nothing obvious, and you've got option over there which is grayed out. If you click on option, you've got telephone settings and Bluetooth settings, phone book settings, transfer phone book, delete phone book. We want Bluetooth settings. New device list, we want device list, and you'll see there Barry's iPhone 12 Pro is highlighted. I need to now click on that to select it, and then you've got rename, delete, device details or disconnect, delete Barry's iPhone, device will be deleted from all this. Well, yeah, so we click yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2012 Porsche Panamera. Now I will tell you we're in September 2021 now. I've got an iPhone 12, it's been a recent update, and when I first tried to do it I struggled. It wouldn't pair, so I had to do it 2 or 3 times until it finally did it. But just so you know, if you can't do it, switch your mobile phone off, leave it off for 30 seconds, switch the car off, lock the doors, again leave it shut for 30 seconds before you open it, and switch back on again. So then we go to Bluetooth, click Bluetooth, we're watching out at the bottom here, over to the unit, we'll click phone, and you've got there, it's an option at the moment, but we want phone, so we'll click phone, and then you've got find telephone, and it's got PCM here. So I'll click find telephone anyway. The phone's found the unit. We'll wait for the unit to find the phone, see if that helps. The trouble is, as cars are getting older and the systems are getting older, and the more updates there are with the iPhone, the more apps you've got, the more chance you have of conflicting. And I've got so many apps on here, and as you can see, so many different Bluetooth pairings. So here we go. So Barry's iPhone 12, it's picked it up and it's back on there again. We'll click on there, Barry's iPhone 12, connecting Barry's iPhone 12, passkey 3290, 3290, pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Now it's done it first time this time, but I have had it switched off and the phone switched off, just so as I didn't look like a complete idiot when I was doing this, which I normally do. And you see there, PCM connected, so that's it. You can now use your phone to dial out from the car, or use this. Let's just go back. Phone, previous calls, dial number, and you've got phone book there. It's transferring phone book and transferring call lists. Now I've got my phone book, and it's all ready to go. A great thing with this car, it's got both speakers. That's one great thing. The other thing is music streaming, so or audio streaming, and I'll just show you how to do that. So if you go to your music, you'll see at the bottom there PCM, iPhone and PCM. There's a tick next to PCM, so that's the communications system in the Porsche. If we go over to media, click on media, you'll see auxiliary Bluetooth. I'm just going to turn it down so it don't go wild when it does switch on. So we'll click it again. That's auxiliary. Click, and we're on auxiliary Bluetooth. It's showing my phone. Whatever plays through this phone now, the audio will come through the speakers. So we'll go back. I'm going to turn that down, turn this up, and then the speakers are fantastic. It really is good. That's how you stream audio. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2012 Porsche Panamera. So from any screen here, you've got Navi here and Map there. If we just click on Map, you'll see it there. If you click on Navi, if it's the first time that you're going to use it, you will be asked to just confirm that you're not going to be distracted. But there you go, you've got enter address. If I just enter address there, it's touch screen. So click on enter address, you've got town and postcode. That's what we want, town and postcode. And then we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road. No, we're not, we've moved. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Howalton, Preston, P R Now we want the numbers. So you've got A, B and C and 1, 2, 3 here. So we click onto 1, 2, 3. So it's PR5, 4. And then we go back to numbers. So we go back to letters. E, A. That's it, PR5, 4E8. So even though we've just selected it, we've got to click on it again to make sure it's selected. And then calculate routes. We're sat on the forecourt, so there we go. So it's showing you the quickest three routes basically. You can select either of them and click Start Route Guidance.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
So that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.